I will show you how you can split video in Capcut, or how you can trim, cut and join videos in Capcut. Alright, now so to get started, let's head over to our Capcut. And then of course, make sure you're signed into your Capcut account, okay? And this is the part where we have to import our project. So we click on new project, okay? So let's use this one for example. Documents or information. Click on add, and here it is. This is the video we are going to be working with, right? Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. So now when it comes to talking, maybe during the course of editing your video, you might notice some parts that you make some errors, or they're very repetitive, or you just want to remove completely from the video. So all you have to do is, as the video is playing, you tap here to pause the video automatically stops where you want it to stop. Then click on this video, that place you want to cut out. Come to this place that says split, click on it. Okay, now the video has splitted into two parts. So let's adjust this to where we want to cut it out completely. So we play it again, and let's assume we want to cut out from here. So we pause the video again and click on it and click on split. Now the video has been splitted into three different parts. At this point, this middle one is what you want to delete, right? So we click on that place you want to delete, just right there. Click there and then come to this place that says delete. We delete the video. So the video is now going to start from here and then join over to the next one. Let's play it. You see, that other middle part has been taken away. Now, if the other part you still want to cut out, let's continue. Maybe as the video is playing, you want to cut out another part of the video, maybe because of errors, or maybe just weird pauses, or just whatever. Let's say you want to cut this place out too. We stop the video, click on the video itself and click on split. Play it to wherever it is we want to pause the video, and split the second part and delete. Now let's say that the place you want to cut out is not too much, it does not involve double splitting. Let's say this place, you might just want to hold this place, hold on to this white area and drag it, okay, to where you want it to stop. So that is what the drag method does for you, okay? When you're done editing this your whole video, wherever it is you want to cut out, you don't want to cut out, it's time for us to export our videos. If you're using the desktop version, you can install Capcut on your laptop and edit your video. It's just the same thing. Just download the app, log into it, import the video, edit anything you want to do, and export. It's the same process. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.